invited close to 1,000 travel advisors from all across the US, Canada, the new and emerging market in South America, and also the United Kingdom to spend a week with us here in Jamaica. So they got an opportunity to crisscross from Ocho Rios in the east to Negril in the west and then to the south coast to really immerse themselves in all of the resorts that we have on offer here. So even though it was a full Sandals initiative, it wasn't only called Sandals and Beaches. It was called Jamaica Love. So Jamaica was really put on on the showcase. And we're starting to see immediate results on it. The long term is that we're seeing some good business coming and being layered down for Q1 next year. So, January, February, March, we're starting to see some good business coming up. As at one of our resorts in Ocho Rios just a few weeks ago, talking with some team members at the Beaches Ocho Rios property in the concierge department, the general manager there had just gotten an email from a travel advisor who visited that resort in October during Jamaica Love and actually booked three families to travel over Thanksgiving resort. So, you see the immediacy of it in terms of how impactful brand Jamaica is and how powerful brand Jamaica is, and the confidence that the travel advisors have in the brand of Sandals and Beaches.